let's see what's the progress with EDA. I just reused the not this. I just reused the presentation I used before. So I will make a small summary of where we are right now and what has been the progress. So where we are right now, it's well, we have a lot of we have invested a lot of time spamming the internet about EDA and showing it and try to get to the people. I'm sorry about that, but it's a work I have to do. About the points where what we had, it has no point to receive, but about the points we lack, it's nice to review the points we say we lack and to see where we are right now. So last time we was working on export to PDF image. We already have it. Right now we have internal security, and we can also do it through LDAP or Active Directory. So single sign-on and external security integration, we have something about that. We still didn't make any integration with these third-party applications, but it's still a must. And well, we have extend using user integration interaction, which is endless work. So we are working on that. The really exciting thing is we have enabled formula editor for query designer, which let us make free SQL queries and treat it like just another panel. So it's very exciting for us. We have been making many other things, like with auth stacked charts. We auth formula editor for metadata model. I think all of you knows sample data, and maybe all of you remember we have price each and quantity orderer. So if we want a total price, we have to make this operation price each for quantity orderer. So you can make inline formulas in the and we have been improving the usability in query designer, chart visualization, and many other things. What we lack right now? So on this moment, we are passing the test for free SQL mode. This is really hard work because the model can have row level security. So we have to integrate filters and row level security to queries and avoid hacking. This means the end user can go through the security of the system. So it's being hacked. We are on the way. We almost have it, but it's been hard work. Well, we still have single sign-on. Maybe we will ask Joel to have some help with that. We will still want to integrate with third party, extend user interaction, which is endless work. And we've been looking around in map integration. It's something we've been looking around. We have some idea about how to do it, and maybe for next. Let's see. I'm sorry, but I really like this stupid movement. So I think I will put it. So let's see how it's translated. All this what he's been speaking about uh, EDA. The fact is it's still work in progress, especially well, it's still work in progress, mostly because of SQL queries. That's why I'm showing you on localhost. It's still not published. It's still not available on the demo or on the GitHub repository. It's still internal work. But we are right now in test, testing it. So we suppose for next week or the other will be publicly available. So the beginning, let's see what means formula editor for metadata model. We saw we have here different metadata models, which is just one abstraction about my database. So this is sample data over MySQL, with more tables for test working on and so on. So you can imagine. And let's do what I said. We have all the details where we have price each and quantity ordered, but I want to have a total price. So let's just add a new column. I will say this new column is total price. Remember, we have a name and description, which is total price. This includes access and so on, to have one nice description for end user. And here we have to put our SQL expression. This have to be a valid SQL expression, which, to avoid typos, I will just put it here. This SQL expression is the SQL expression summarized we will have to use. So I will put just some price each per quantity ordered. If you want to check the expression, you can check it here, and it send a random query just to check it's giving some results. So after that, you have this total price on your model, which let you use it. So let's do it. Okay, we will make a new report. We will make a new report. We will say it's black 20, and we will choose the model we've been working with. And we again have the EDA dashboard designer, which is just panels. We have configuration here. We edit the query, and we've put a searcher here because when you have a very big model, you can it's horrible to find the table. So if you have a finder here, you can just put or order the days, and it's just filtering the tables for the attributes as well. So we have total price, and we just can execute the query, and we have the result. So we say we have this KPI, and here we have total sales, and some of this end user interfaces improvements. Now this is dollars, so we have this total sales $4. Okay, that's nice. That's very nice. We can save it. We've added as well a new component we can include in our report, which is just a new text. It's not really exciting stuff, but it's useful, where we can put some description. It's just one text input where we can say, this is the total sales price with taxes, and so on. Take care. So we can put text like this, or say this information is updated on so on, and whatever we want. It's just like that. So let's make a chart with with information we've been making, or maybe just let's check what we've been making. So let's make not a chart, it's just a list. For instance, see, it's really useful. Customer name, and let's say order details, total price. So we have customer name, total price, it's sales by customer. Okay, so we have 98 rows, which is nice to know. And we will add a new panel. I will put it here next to this one. We'll add a new panel where we will put just the same SQL query. So for now, we've been using this tab for normal query for end user. I think we will hear some kind of red button or something like that, some kind of you're to the dark side. So you can hear just your SQL query. I will make the same SQL query I've made on the other side. And here we have one condition. In order to join it, to fill it with the dashboard parameters, you have to inform me some of the tables you are using in your query. It can be whatever the one you want, but you have to tell me, okay, just give me one of the tables you are using. As far as they are related, I will search it and I will use it for the filters later on. So if we rerun this query, it's the same query we had, 98 rows, so we have the same on the left and on the right. Okay, nice. So the first problem about free SQL queries, it was to relate it with filters. So if I put here a filter, let's say on orders, which is a table, it's related on that query, but it's not on that query. So if I put a filter on orders and I say, yes, I want to see orders in process, for instance, here the information has been filtered and we have all the information filtered, but okay, let's put it here.